Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to cook chicken fried rice. So guys, this is what we're going to use today. This is all the seasoning. We have 4 cloves of garlic, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrot, some ginger, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, some chopped spring onion, half a bell red pepper, 4 chopped mushroom, soy sauce. We're going to use our 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, black pepper, chicken season, and chicken breast. We have 2 cut up chicken breast right here. We have 2 eggs we'll beat up already. So that's all we're going to use today, guys. So we have the overnight white rice, some green peas, guys. Right now we're going to season the chicken. We're going to use a teaspoon of chicken season, and just a little touch of black pepper, because black pepper is very strong. We don't want to use too much black pepper. A little bit more. We're going to half a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to mix that in. We'll just leave it to marinate for around 20 minutes. So guys, just gonna put a little bit of oil in the pot. I don't want to put too much oil, I'm just gonna scramble the egg. Don't want to cook the egg too much, just want to get it nice and cook a bit. Just gonna scrape out this egg. Put a little bit more oil in the pot. Turn up the fire. So guys, this is gonna put in the chicken. Just want to cook that chicken for around 5 minutes. So guys, I just used 2 chicken breasts today, and you can use 1 chicken breast if you want, or half a chicken breast, but I just used 2 chicken breasts. So guys, right now we're gonna put in the chopped onion, one chopped onion. Garlic. Ginger. Just gonna add in the carrots. Celery. And now we're gonna add in the mushroom and half a red bell pepper. We're gonna cut up some fresh corn. I ain't gonna put in all of it, those 3/4 corn. Remember guys, when you're doing chicken fried rice, it's very messy. So guys, we're just gonna put in the green peas now. Our green peas is not hard to cook. And a beautiful color. So I just gotta put in the rice now. This is overnight rice from last night. So I'm gonna add in some soy sauce. So guys, I'm just gonna put in the egg. that around. Gonna put in 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Gonna put in the soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it a stir. Guys, we're going to put in the spring onion. Just gonna squeeze half a lemon. Get all of that juice out. So I'm gonna put in a teaspoon of turmeric. Just give it that color. So guys, look at that guys, just chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice guys, ready to eat. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube name is Selvin Robinson Family. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please leave a comment. So you guys want to see it do another video like this one, please leave a comment. And please share and like the video guys. This is chicken fried rice. Guys, this is it, the chicken fried rice. Oh guys, I can't wait to eat that. Look at it, it's beautiful.